quick video on the Vodafone Automotive 4822. This one's got the Ultrasonics installed up there. These are painted in black, real tidy. LEDs down here, and it's got the built-in level sensor as well. So if you want to turn off the sensors, you have 5 seconds. Turn the ignition off, come over to your LED, press the button. It'll flash once, then it'll flash a second time, then a third time. So basically, one flash is ultrasonics off. The second flash means the tilt sensor's turned off, and then 3 flashes means both sensors are turned off. For more details, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.